So now let's see how we can work around with conditional formatting and apply single color conditional formatting to Google Sheets. So over here you can see that I got a bunch of data, and let's say I want to highlight out discount which says 5% all around over here. So there's some 5% and some 4% as you can see. So I'm just changing out the data right here. And let's say I want to highlight out the 5% range by the color yellow. So in that case, I can select out the cells just like this, where I want to apply the conditional formatting, and then I can right click over here. So once I do that, you can see conditional formatting is an option. And once you click on conditional formatting, this option actually appears. And over here, you can see that I can select the range on where I want to apply the formatting right here. In my case, it is F2 to F18, as you can see. So now I need to define the condition. So if the format cell, if the format cell is, let's say, for example, you can set around a lot of conditions right here, like date, greater than, less than, and so forth. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around and say text, not the text right here, but let's say greater than. So if let's say if the discount is greater than 4%, let's say, for example, that is going to be my value right here. So if it is more than 4%, then it should be highlighted. And now you can see that greater than 4%, like 5%, are all highlighted green right here. But in my case, I just don't want it to be highlighted green. I want it to be highlighted yellow right here. I want it to be bold and italicize it, maybe underline it out as well, and press done. So now what happens is that the conditional format has been added in. So if I were to press 6 and press enter, you can see that that is highlighted. Press 3 and it's not highlighted anymore. So that is how you can actually apply out conditional formatting. And you can also apply multiple conditional formatting. So let's say I'm going to go around, right click on conditional formatting. I can also add another rule right here. So let's say if it is greater than, now in my case, I want it greater than 10%, then it is going to be red. Let's say, for example, bright red, and maybe the text color is going to be white, bold, and so forth, and press done. So right now, none of the data are over 10, but if I were to go around, press 11%, press enter. So let me just go around right here. Now it is greater than 10, right? So it's greater than 10%. It is supposed to be right there, but it is not actually showing up as red. So I need to change around the order right here. So I need to go around right here, click and drag around the order. And now what happens is that it'll search for data with 10 first and then apply this one right here. So now you can see that this is how it works. So greater than 10 is 13, and then greater than 4 is yellow, as you can see right here. If I were to do 10, it's still yellow because it's not greater than 10. 11, and it's 11 right there. Okay, and then 11.01 is still greater than 10, so it's still red. 11, it's still red right here, and then 9, it's yellow. And that is how you can work around with the conditional formatting for single color inside of Google Sheets. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.